Salam. Today, let's talk about the prevention and treatment of cancer with natural Chinese medicine. The number of cancer cases are increasing with malignant tumor cancer at the top. Natural Chinese medicine can prevent, detect, treat, and treat cancer early, fight inflammation, fight viruses, fight ulcers, and control cancer. A course of Chinese medicine intervention for pain in advanced cancer can reduce pain by more than 60% to 80% in 10 days. It can improve anti-cancer power and prolong survival. Keep a good mood every day. Bravely defeat cancer. Live happily and improve a healthy lifestyle. Natural Chinese medicine has no side effects and can quickly control and prevent cancer metastasis. Natural food, moderate diet, protein, meat, and eggs can enhance immunity. Eat more natural prototype foods such as sweet potato leaves, blueberries, mulberries, avocados, raw onion, and garlic. Moderate vegetables and natural foods can resist inflammation, viruses, and tumors. Exercise properly every day. Sitting for a long time is equivalent to chronically ending life. Sleeping with lights on has a greater risk of cancer. Eat less sugar and drink enough water to benefit your health. Take care of yourself and the world will belong to you. Chinese Herbal Medicine Cancer Recovery Center and Chavez Center F8 Markaz, Islamabad. Dr. Khadija Lin wishes cancer patients to get out of the troubles of cancer, maintain a good attitude, be free from pain, happily prolong their lives, and live long in the world.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।